Hello, my name is Tariq Safar and I represent the management here at Travancore Medical College and Hospital at Kollam as the project director. We are committed to battling climate change, and it is one of our sustainable goals to reduce the dependency on fossil fuels and other forms of energy that actually burn down our planet. And investing in solar energy seemed to be the right thing to do. The reason we chose Enerparc was their technology, the efficiency and the maximum output that produces, and it was cutting edge using Axitech as in their proposal. From day one, there were a set of teams for each stage, and each team impressed us one above the other. How they blended in with the structure, the civil structure of Medicity, the challenges they faced, each one they were eager and more than committed to keeping us happy and making sure that we hardly felt any of those challenges. Their team was so well coordinated with our project team. Based on the scope of work, the timeline, the Gantt chart, and all the documentation that was submitted in the techno-commercial proposal, from day one, there were a set of teams for each stage, and each team impressed us one above the other. They definitely went all in to achieve above and beyond what they had actually committed to. They did it with such dedication that I am very confident in saying that we are satisfied with the results that they have provided in terms of technology, in terms of structural stability, in terms of electrification, and the staff were very prompt on responding to the challenges we were facing in site. The installation process was well communicated through the project team, their contractors that were on site, all the challenges they faced in terms of structural stability. I would definitely say that it's one of the most brilliant contractors that we have associated with.